Hi everyone, this is a video about this Giga Pack flash speed mop, and the Giga Pack is about how many wipe it comes with this, and is about 60, and it came like this. I was looking for something lazy to just clean the laminate and floors, and this is the box, and I get everything on the table and I show you what came in the box. Here is whatever that it came in that box. There are 24 refills, and we put these together. I show you first and then I put them aside, and they are very heavy and very wet. But I have to tell you something. There was a hole in the center of this. I don't know, was it for the packaging, or storage, that nothing would come out of this or explode or something. And this little hole, a little bit of liquid was coming out of here, and I put a sticker on the top to just keep the moisture inside. And it happens with all of them, and the same it goes with this one. So we have 24 and 24 and 12 inside here, and I get everything out of this box after showing you. The box is a little bit faded because I drenched it with alcohol and cleaned it up, but it's really something good to just lazily clean your floors and dusts, and the laminate flooring especially. And it has these wipes, that it has this green bit, that this green bit is some sort of a scrubbing material that is here, that if you have any sort of bad smudges or marks on the floor, you can turn this round and then wipe it or scrub it with this green bit, and the rest of it is soft and smooth and wet, and is the lemon flavor, a smell or scent. It says here lemon scent, and in here we have 12 of these. So I get everything out of this box and I show you everything. So this is everything that it was inside the box. Is the mop itself, that is a little bit not really good. You can just see that it's not going to last long, but is for the price, for the Giga Pack is under £35. 60 wipes, and then the speed mop itself is a good deal, considering that each 24 packs it comes at 12 up to 16 pounds each of these. Let me just show you. Each of these 24s, they come at 12 up to 17 pounds each. But the Giga Pack, all of that was for under 35 pounds, which is a bargain. And this is the mop itself, and then it has this handle that it goes on either side, but is not rotating. So this is the mop, and this is the top handle, and all of them, They are fitting together like so. And is easy. I do a very short demonstration. It comes with 3 aluminium pieces and 1 plastic, and the mop itself, and 4 packs of this. In each there are 3 of them. That is good, just to try them one by one. I guess they are good because it has a zipper somehow shut capability on this, and then you open it. We are going to demonstrate this properly, and we have 4 of these and then 3 of these aluminium poles, and the handle is anti-slip, is some sort of rubbery in this lighter blue shade, that if you lean it against the wall is not going to slide off. It's really hygienic looking, and this one is a little bit nicer looking as well. So I go and set up everything, and I show you how to install one of these on top of this, and then we do a demonstration. So I see you shortly. So here is everything set up. I just wanted to mention something, that all of the these aluminium poles, let me just see if it can, yeah, all of them, they have one empty here, and then the other one there is some interlocking system here, and all of those that they are in that shape, they are going together like so. But one of them, it doesn't have any those these locking mechanism at either side, and that one goes to the end like so. And if we are going a little bit out of focus, my apologies, as it's a little bit big and I am doing everything on my own. So this one that doesn't have any of these interlocking system is for the mop itself, and the other one is for the handle, the other 2. And then when you open this, it's really wet, you have to be careful. You just put this here and then put the mop in the center like so, and then lock them into place like so. And now you are ready to go. And as you see, it's really wet, and is rather narrow, and it's good to just go within the gaps between the chairs, or the legs of the table, and all of those places. Of course, it's really wet and it smells good, and this is going to be a short demonstration, and let's see how dirty is my kitchen. I don't think it's going to be that bad. Up to now, is really not something to be proud of. And then this is the scrubbing part, that if you want to scrub somewhere, you just turn this around like so, and then scrub, and then wipe, wipe. So this is supposed to be a short video about cleaning stuff nowadays because of all of these problems that we are living with. It's nice to have something that you can easily clean your home, your environment that you are spending so much time in it. So I hope you like this video, and this is the anti-slipping quality. I just put it against the wall and you see that is sticking to the wall. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have to say that this is very light, and for those that they have difficulty with dexterity, arthritis and so on, and heavy lifting problems, so this is really light and useful. I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time and stay well.